So, hi friend, welcome back to TechV. In this video, we are going to discuss about stop loss. Okay, so how can you apply basically stop loss while purchasing the stock? Okay, so this top on this things we will going to discuss in this video basically. Okay, so basically, what is stop loss? Stop loss is something like which help you to like set up a point where the your trade will be automatically execute and you will not have to lose your money. Okay, suppose you understand that market is going up and down suddenly, like it's in moving, correct, going up down up down up down up down, or sudden up 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 up, something like that pattern is showing, correct. So in this scenario, you don't know after which point you will exactly go sudden down or sudden up. At that time you will don't have a time to just catch that particular point, okay, where you want to buy or sell, correct. So stop loss will help you to set the automatic purchasing of or selling of that trade, okay, stocks, and it will help you to uh, help you in not losing your valuable money. Okay, either you can set I want to make a loss of at least maximum 5 rupees. So after 5 rupees you can set a, boundary. After that it will be automatically sell and you will don't have to pay any extra loss, correct. So this things I will go I will show you in this Paytm Money app. Okay, so let's open the Paytm Money app. Okay, here I am going to the Paytm Money app. Okay, so it's opening as you can see in the screen, correct. So this is the first screen of the ATM Money. Okay, wherever you will open, this screen will come first. After this you have to click on this stocks. Blue whole rectangular portion is there, or three portion you can correct here. Okay, so you have to click there. Okay, after clicking this they will ask for your passcode or biometric authentication for login. You can go ahead with that. Okay, now see, this is the dashboard. Okay, after login you will see this type of dashboard will show on the screen. Okay, so let's go to search in particular stock. Okay, suppose uh, either you can search from here, like you can see the search button is there at the top right corner, correct. You can click on that search button. From there you can search whatever the stock you required, correct. So for the timing I'm just taking Adani Power. Okay, so I have selected the Adani Power. Okay, now just click on buy. Okay, here you can see, you can just tap on yes. Now you can see that there is a two type of trade is there. You can see on that for delivery, and second one is trade for intraday, correct. This is intraday, correct. Yeah, this is delivery. So I wish I uh, I think you already aware of this topic. If you don't aware of this topic, kindly aware of this topic. What is delivery? What is intraday? Okay, so you can understand. Either you can watch videos from our list. Also, there will be a video on this particular topic as well. Correct. So whenever suppose I'm going with the delivery. Okay, so delivery, now here you can see that quantity option is there. Okay, so in that quantity, how much quantity you want to buy, I'm just selecting 10 quantity. Okay, now buying price, correct. So buying price is at market price. Market price means whatever the price is going continuously at that particular time. Suppose I click about so you can see like it's showing 4:38 p.m. correct. 4:38 p.m. plus second. How much second? Whatever the second I just click. Okay. So whatever the price is at that particular time, it will be trade will be automatically execute on that. Suppose 533.80 or 90 or 70, whatever the price, correct. So at market price, your stock will be buy. Correct. If you want to buy at particular stock time, you just click here custom price and you can set the price. Then you have to swipe buy and your trade will be purchased. Correct. Now, if you want to select stop loss. For that purpose, you can see that left hand side below, you can see there is an option called advanced option. Just click on advanced option. You can see an option for stop loss. Correct. From here, you have to apply a stop. So just click on the checkbox in front of stop loss. Correct. Now you can see that when you hit that stop loss button, you will get an option for trigger price. Correct. This trigger price. Correct. So what is trigger price? Trigger price is something that at that particular price your trade will be uh, purchased and it will be sent to SEBI. Purchase means it will be initialized, not like it is execute fully. It will be 50% execute. Okay. So trigger price at the price where you want to trigger this stock. Okay. So for the timing, I'm just keeping it's going 533. Suppose I will set the trigger price. Like I am estimating that whenever this stock go near about 550, okay, on 550, after that it will give me some more bounce, okay, and I can get maybe 30 or 40 points, okay. So about 550, I want to buy this stock, okay. So I don't have to watch on the screen that okay now it's going 550, now it's going 550, okay. So I can just set a trigger point of 545 or 548, okay. At this price your stock it will be automatically execute for purchasing, okay. Means I have placed the order at 548 but it will show in pending, okay, it will not buy, okay. The point where I will keep this amount like 550, whenever it hits 550 that time only it will be execute. Means no need to you have to continuously seeing your screen that okay now it's coming to that particular price, now coming, okay. Suppose you have set the trigger point 548 and the price will never goes around one like 550, so it will be not execute at the end of the day. Means if it's going just about 49.56, means will not hitting the 550 rupees, correct. It will never purchase, it will still show in pending and at the end of the day it will be automatically cancel, or either you can also cancel, correct. So in this way you can set the stop loss while purchasing any stock, and this will help you from extra burden and extra loss. Like if you put generally whatever the amount you want, no, so at that price it will be automatically execute, but either it's going or not going that particular price wherever you may got some work at that particular time, correct. So this will help you to automatically execution of your order, correct. Whenever I hit swipe, now I so swipe, okay, it will be automatically purchase and it will go to this section portfolio, okay. If it is successfully executed means uh, at if it is hit buying price, else it will be showing in this order history, okay. Like here you will get a option for you can say pending order, successful order, okay, cancel order, okay, different uh, heading you will show, and in that heading it will be visible. Let me show you my previously recorded video where you can easily understand the things what I'm trying to say. Uh, this is the video, correct. Let me play this. So here you can see that I see. Yeah, I have purchased. Just a second. Yeah, as you can see, here I have purchased like multiple stock. So as you can see here, I have purchased multiple stock. Okay, like Adani Green Solution, Adani Port. Okay, so wherever you place the order, it will be show in pending order. As you can see on As you can see on the screen, let me show you once more. Okay, see, as you can see here, a pending list is also showing, correct? So successful is also showing, correct? Let me hold that uh, point. Correct. Yeah. See, here it will show in this particular pending order list. If it is hit 550, it will go to successful. Means I am talking about that particular stock only. I am not talking about this Adani port. So it will show as it is showing in the here. Correct. So if it is hit 550, it will be successfully trade and it will be visible in successful, either fail or cancel. Correct. So these things from where you can check whether it is executed or not. Later you need to move to the portfolio. Here you will see the all your trade. Correct. As you can say, Bank Nifty I am showing here. So here you will get all the details of your successful trade order which is ongoing process. Okay, so this is how you can place so this is how you can set stop loss while purchasing your stock. So I hope you understand how can you uh, set a stop loss while purchasing the stock. Okay, so you will get another video where I have explained how you can set stop loss while selling so that you will not like go in much more loss. You should always be in profit. Okay, so you can check that video also. How can you set loss while selling the trade? Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, also share this video with your friends so that they can also get the knowledge about this. Okay, see you to the next video. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest video.